Hello guys, welcome back. Last time we were looking at the laws of indices, and today we are looking at solving the simultaneous equation using substitution method. We have the question written down here. If the sum of two numbers is 4 and it's there, and the sum of their squared minus 3 times their product is 76. So now for solution, let the numbers be x and y. So here they are saying sum is addition, so it is x plus y equals 4. They are saying the sum of two numbers, it is 4, so it is equals to 4. And the sum of their squared, so the sum of this one squared, so x squared plus the y squared, the sum of their squared minus 3 times 3xy equals 76. Here, because they are saying let the numbers be x and y, because here in the question they are saying if the sum of the two numbers is 4, then it is x plus y equals 4. Then and the sum of their squared minus 3 times, the sum of their squared minus 3 times xy equals 76. So now let's try to find the solution. The question is if the sum of two numbers, So for number 1, let's the numbers be x and y. So in the equation they are saying the two numbers is equal to 4. Then it will be x plus y equals 4. This is the first equation. And they are also saying the sum of their squared, the sum of those numbers squared plus y squared, it is 3 times, it is minus 3 times xy equals 76. Here we are going to make y the subject of the formula. It is y equals 4. When x crosses the equal sign, it will be minus x. Then this is equation 1. We are going to substitute it into equation 2. So here, where there is y, we put x minus 4. Then it will be x squared plus, open bracket, 4 minus x close squared minus 3x, open bracket, where there is y, we put 4 minus x close equals 76. Now let's try to expand this one. It will be x squared plus, because when we do 4 squared it is 16. Then 4 squared it will be minus 4x, another 4x plus this last value x squared, it will be minus x times the minus x, it will be x squared. Then minus 3x times 4, it will be minus 12x. Minus 3x times minus x, it will be plus 3x squared, which is equals to 76. Then here we are going to correct the right term, because when you add this one plus this one, because negative and negative we add, so it will be x squared plus 16 minus, but we maintain the sign, it will be minus 8x minus 12x plus 3x squared equals 76. Then we're going to add again negative 8x minus 12x, then it will be x squared plus 16 minus, because negative times negative it will be positive, but when adding negative and negative we add and we maintain the sign, then it will be 20x plus x squared equals 76. Here I eliminated another x squared, this x squared, then it will be 3. When we add x squared plus x squared, it will be 2x plus 3x, it will be 5x squared plus 16 minus 20x equals 76. Then 5x squared minus 20x equals 76. When 16 across the equal sign, it will be minus 16. Then here it will be 5x squared minus 20x equals 76 minus 16, which is 60. Then let's take it here. It will 5x squared minus 20x. When 60 crosses the equal sign, to be minus 60, which is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. The product are positive 2 and the negative 6, because when we multiply positive 2 times negative, here is the negative, because 60 has crossed the equal sign, there was negative, yeah. So 2 times the negative 6, it will be minus 12 as a product. Then for sum, it is 2 minus 6, which is equals to minus 4. As you can see, this is a sum. So now let's substitute. It will be x squared minus 2 plus 2x minus 6x minus 12 equals 0. Then here we are going to factor out what is common. Here what is common, it is x. X into x, it is x, plus x into 2x, it is 2, close, minus, here what is common, it is 6, so it is 6 outside, open bracket, 6 into negative 6, it is remain with x, negative 6 into negative 12, because negative times negative is positive, so we are going to have a positive 2, which is equals to 0. Then as you can see, these one are same. Then we are going to get this one, x minus 6 in the bracket and the x plus 2 in the bracket, which is equals to 0. Then we equate it to 0. X is equals to 6 and then another x, it will be minus 2. Let's find the value of y in the equation. So we are going to use the first equation, which was given like x equals 4 minus y. So where there is x, we are going to substitute it with 6. 6 equals 4 minus y. Then 4, when I crosses the equal sign, it will be minus y. Let's take it into this side. It is equals to 6. Then minus y equals 6. When 4 crosses the equal sign, it will be minus 4. So minus y equals positive 2 divided by negative 1. Divided by negative 1, it will be y equals minus 2. Another y. Let's find another y. When we substitute where there is x, we put where there is x, we put negative 2 where there is x in this equation. Then it will be minus 2 equals 4 minus y. Then 4 minus y equals minus 2. Then minus y equals minus 2 minus 4. Then which is equals to minus y equals to minus y, it will be negative 2 minus 4, it is minus 6 over minus 1 minus 1, which is y equals. So now the numbers what they are asking is 6 and negative 2. These are numbers which they were asking. Thank you for watching.